Franconia Notch offers breathtaking vistas that stretch across the White Mountains. This view showcases the rolling forested hills and distant peaks, encapsulating the serene beauty of New Hampshire's wilderness. Whether you're an avid hiker or simply passing through, this scene exemplifies the peaceful escape Franconia Notch provides. The Flume Gorge is home to a network of streams and cascading waterfalls. Here, you can see a gentle stream flowing over weathered rocks nestled among vibrant green foliage. This tranquil corner highlights the gorge's natural beauty and the soothing sounds of flowing water. This pristine pool, hidden within the Flume Gorge, reflects the clarity and purity of the water flowing through Franconia Notch. The surrounding rock formations, shaped by centuries of erosion, offer a unique backdrop to this peaceful scene. The Flume Gorge is known for its pictures-covered bridges. This historic structure blends seamlessly with the natural landscape, standing as a testament to the region's craftsmanship and charm. These bridges add a rustic touch to an already enchanting environment. This flowing stream meanders through the heart of the Flume Gorge, carving its way through the rocky terrain. The interplay between water and stone creates a dynamic, ever-changing landscape that makes every visit to the gorge unique. As you walk through the gorge, scenes like this reveal the raw and untouched beauty of Franconia Notch. The crystal clear water and moss covered rocks offer a reminder of nature's intricate design and harmony. The Flume Gorge features several viewing platforms like this, offering visitors the chance to pause and soak in the scenery. From here, you can observe the interplay of water, rock, and forest, all while taking in the crisp mountain air. This scene combines two of Franconia Notch's highlights, its charming covered bridges and the Flume Gorge's rugged terrain. The juxtaposition of man-made structures and natural elements creates a picture-perfect moment. Franconia Notch is not only about its gorges and streams, but also its trails leading to awe-inspiring views. This path, surrounded by lush greenery, offers a glimpse of the mountainous adventure that lies ahead, inviting hikers to explore further. One of the many geological wonders of the Flume Gorge, this massive boulder seems frozen in time, resting precariously along the trail. Such formations add a sense of mystery and wonder to the hike, making every step a discovery. Among the geological wonders of Franconia Notch, this massive boulder stands out, cradled within the dense forest. Such boulders were deposited thousands of years ago by retreating glaciers, adding a sense of timelessness to the area. Echo Lake is a serene gem in Franconia Notch, framed by the lush, rolling hills of the White Mountains. This tranquil spot is perfect for canoeing, fishing, or simply enjoying the reflection of nature on the calm waters. This iconic view captures Cannon Mountain, home to year-round activities including hiking in the summer and skiing in the winter. The lodge near the summit offers a fantastic vantage point for those looking to immerse themselves in the majesty of the White Mountains. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more like this one.